Projects are all around us. Everything that we wear, that we eat, that we touch, or use every day, was an outcome of a successful project to create a unique product that you're enjoying now. Projects literally run the modern economy, and they are managed through project management processes. Hi, my name's Vijay and I'm the founder of projectsmind.com. And in this video, we would learn about project management fundamentals. So, before moving to project management, let's first understand what the project is. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration and budget. Every project has a start and finish date with something to deliver under a certain cost. The project always produces a unique output, and it doesn't continue forever. It ends when the objectives are met. In short, projects are temporary, time-bound and unique. Projects require continuous movement of resources and procedures to achieve its goals. Without these rhythmic efforts, project cannot reach its desired destination in a given budget and time. In the 1950s, organizations started to systematically apply project management tools and techniques to complex engineering projects. While the project management term itself wasn't coined until the 1950s, the use of project management dates back to the ancient genesis of flood times. It's how Noah managed the construction work of the ark to save humanity on the earth. Project management is an art and science of getting things done in a given timeline and budget. An art because there is no one definitive answer for how to best manage a project, and a science because there are well-developed techniques and process that can help significantly to complete a project successfully. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. It's how the first high-speed rail system was constructed in Japan in 1964 and widely known as the bullet train. It's how the world's largest offshore wind farm was constructed in a factory in London and installed in the middle of the ocean. It is how the International Space Station was created by a consortium of 15 nations and 5 space agencies. According to Project Management Institute, the project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. According to Association for project management is the application of processes, methods, skills, knowledge, and experience to achieve specific project objectives, according to the project acceptance criteria within agreed parameters. Project management has final deliverables that are constrained to a finite timescale and budget. As per the Wikipedia, the project management is the process of leading the work of a team to achieve goals and meet success criteria in a specified time. The main challenge of project management is to achieve all of the project goals within the given constraints. Project management requires both theory and practice. It needs mastery of theoretical concepts but also the skills to temper them with practical considerations. Project management is a hybrid area that combines different disciplines, methods, and ideas. For efficient integration of these knowledge areas, project team need to monitor and control the various flows. You can think of project management as managing 3 flows of project: the flow of the people, the flow of the process, and the flow of the tool. It also deals with a reverse flow of return of experience at the end of project life for improvement in future projects. Any organization that wants to manage its projects successfully needs to have the right people, the right process, and the right tools. All 3 together at the same time. The primary constraints of a project are scope, time, budget, also known as triple constraints. The triple constraints, also known as project management triangle, refers to the boundaries of time, scope, and cost that apply to every project. The project management processes are responsible for meeting these constraints and controlling project schedule, cost and scope. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. If you'd like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.